Hey guys, what's up? It's Thomas Anderson. Back with another video. Yes, back with another video, and as you can see, yeah, but I just got these two hard lemurs. I feel like I should turn a light. Did that even show over here? No. I'm just gonna put them up here. I have a 2017 Ford GT. Next up, we have a 2017 Camaro ZL1. See, I love this color, guys. You can look. 2017 Ford GT. Camaro ZL1. Yeah. So how I got into, I got one for free, which is the Ford GT. Okay. That was how I got him. I made a deal with my friends, so I gave, if he chooses my 2017 Camaro ZL1 Camaro, then he just gets that Camaro. But if he chose one of my 2016 ones, which he changed these to about 2016, as you will see in a minute, look, Camaro SS. Anywho, yeah, same thing, just different design. He likes the gray one better for Timmy. And tell me if this was loud or not. So, okay. I'm gonna put it on low, guys. So, camera and it's okay. We're going cold. So, that's it. Oh, God. Oh, my. Yeah. I think this is like the best brew on all my Camaros. No, I have two Ford GTs. This one is 2016. Don't need to put 6 M card on me. Still, should put this on. I think I should put my name on these because my friends try and steal these from me. My friends try and steal these two cars, like all my special cars from me. So I'm missing a Porsche 911 GT3. Or is I think, I don't know. It's a 911 GT3 though. It's white. Got like 3 weeks ago. Still haven't found it. I lost it like 5 days ago. 4 days ago. Yeah. Right now my friend is doing some sessions on that Jiggy. right now in Dallas, Texas. So, I'm bored. Yeah, technically I can just pick it up. This is legit best blue ever on like 2017 cameras. I'm just trying to have the 2018 one of these. 2018 or 2016? I need chocolate, milky dookie, or some watty. I die. No, this one just too long. God almighty. Well, let me see what time it is. Okay, he's almost done with his session. Legit. What do you rate these two cars separately? 10.